Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cadence Fishing CR5 Spinning Rod. If you spend a lot of time fishing in streams and rivers, the Cadence Fishing CR5 may be the perfect choice for you. It provided accurate casts, so we could consistently hit that hold of fish we're hiding in. Its construction was also impressive. And regarding sensitivity, this rod was one of the best, consistently letting us detect the smallest bites and set the hook with ease. This rod did have some drawbacks, though. For one, it was almost too light. So, depending on what reel you use, the balance can be thrown off. Another issue was its versatility. It was really only made for fishing streams and rivers, so if you are looking for a rod that can do it all, this isn't it. With all that said, the Cadence Fishing CR5 is excellent at what it's built to do and will do well in those situations. Our second best fishing rod is Placino Elite Hunter 7 FT Fishing Rod. If you want a rod that can do it all without breaking the bank, check out the Placino 2-piece spinning. This rod lacks some of the portability found in our favorite models, but it makes up for this with balance and features. The ergonomic cork handle was one of our favorites and made all-day fishing a breeze. Speaking of the handle, this rod features an excellent reel seat that kept the reel locked in tightly. It was also a great casting rod, with the line running smoothly through the guides on every cast. Placino Fishing Rod Blanks. All Elite Hunter Select fishing rods are constructed with IM6 carbon matrix technology blanks, giving each casting rod and spinning rod incredible performance, sensitivity and power. Carbon split grip and full grip using a non-slip EVA and cork handle is made to deliver a premium rod at a greater value than the competition. For details, let's watch more.
Elite Hunter 702 Medium Heavy.
Third in our list is Cast King Blackhawk 2 Telescopic Fishing Rods. When it comes to versatility, the Cast King Blackhawk 2 Telescopic Rod is about as multi-purpose as you could get. It is equally adept at fishing from the lakeshore as it is from an ocean jetty, which we did on several occasions on the same day. It also provided plenty of sensitivity, so we could really feel what was going on in the water. And being that it's telescopic, transporting it was also exceptionally easy. In its travel state, it was a compact 1 foot 10 inches. This proved especially beneficial when hiking out to a few secret spots. There was also the small issue of the floating guides. They were somewhat difficult to secure when extending. All in all, if you want a fishing rod that will perform in many different environments, the Cast King Blackhawk 2 Telescopic is the rod for you. Number 4 in our best fishing rod list is Ugly Stick Elite Spinning Fishing Rod. If you need a well-built, lightweight fishing rod that's easy to tote to your favorite fishing hole, look no further than the Ugly Stick Elite. Don't let its small size fool you. It's perfectly strong and has impressive fighting power, which was proven on several occasions when we hauled in fish that were seemingly too big for this rod. This Ugly Stick was also versatile when it came to fishing styles, whether it be dropping a hook with a worm on it or just casting with a lure. It was also one of the best when it came to balancing, sitting comfortably in our hands all day long. Although the upsides were plentiful, there were a few downsides to consider. This rod is on the small side, so the casting distance takes a hit. This is to be expected due to the rod size, but it's still something to think about if most of your fishing involves casting. It also has a fairly short handle, which made two-handed use a little more difficult. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is St. Croix Rod's Triumph Spinning Rod. The top spot in our review goes to the St. Croix Triumph Travel Fishing Rod due to its winning combination of versatility, features, and balance. The great feel of this rod allowed us to sense the tiniest bites and easily set the hook. This rod cast further and with more accuracy than other models in our test. It's also portable, breaking into 4 pieces and packing into a travel case, which is a big plus for those who like to travel with their rods. The cork composition of the handle offered a comfortable feel in hand and allowed for notable balance. No question, the St. Croix is an unmistakably high-quality product. Contoured handle ensures you maintain a strong grip on your fishing rod. The premium side carbon rod combines with the fortified resin system for unparalleled strength and durability.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!